Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Capital One 360 login issues. Common problems solved step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Capital One website or the official Capital One mobile app. Next, check that your internet connection is stable by opening another trusted website or app. Then, turn off any VPN or proxy because it can trigger security blocks during login. After that, verify your username and password are typed correctly and that caps lock is off. Now, if you use a password manager, copy and paste the login details to avoid typing errors. Next, click Forgot Username or Password and follow the prompts if you are not 100% sure of your credentials. Then, complete any verification step carefully, including one-time codes sent by text or email. After that, check your phone signal or email access if you are not receiving the security code. Next, look in your spam or junk folder for Capital One emails if you chose email verification. Then, make sure your device date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time can break secure login. Now, close the app or browser completely and reopen it to clear a temporary session problem. Next, if you are on a browser, clear cache and cookies for the Capital One site. Then, try an incognito or private window to test whether extensions or stored data are causing the issue. After that, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy tools, and try again. Next, update your browser to the latest version to ensure compatibility with modern security settings. Then, if you are using the mobile app, update the Capital One app from your app store. After that, restart your phone or computer to clear background processes that can interfere with login. Next, try a different browser or a different device to isolate whether the problem is device-specific. Then, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi to rule out network restrictions. After that, check if Capital One services are temporarily down by searching for Capital One status updates online. Next, if you see an account locked message, wait the stated time and avoid repeated attempts that extend the lock. Then, review any on-screen security alerts and follow the instructions exactly as shown. After that, confirm you are not using an old bookmarked link by typing the site address manually. Next, if you get repeated security challenges, remove saved passwords for Capital One and save the correct one again. Then, run a quick antivirus and malware scan because infected devices can disrupt secure sign-in. After that, contact Capital One support through the official help page if you still cannot access your account. Next, be ready to verify your identity with basic information, but never share full passwords or full codes with anyone. Then, once you regain access, enable or review two-factor authentication settings for stronger security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.